As centuries piled upon the years, and millennia followed through the tears, the darkness forced the elders still to fight against the younger's will. For with each age their minds grew dark, their thoughts were twisted, lost their spark. The evil crept and took its hold, and filled their hearts with hatred bold. In truth they served the darkness reign, and cast their stones to cause more pain. Many fell and turned so weak, and God their Father did not speak. He raised the fallen, gave them light, forgave their sins and healed their might. He strengthened them with courage true, and in His love they onward grew. Then came the time for God to call. His voice rang out for one and all, yet few responded as they should, and turned to rightness and the good. Few answered Him, and few did see the love that could have set them free. But God forgave with love and light, that brought a few out from the fight. The waves of light did take them far, but left the others where they are. The darkness deepened round them still, for